Welcome back. Now that you understand the basics of how pages work inside of ClickFunnels, you can now create other kinds of pages. What you can do is you can go to your funnels area and you can then click build a new funnel. And what you'll see is that there are other kinds of pages. Initially, we chose the goal of collecting emails. You can also choose the goal of selling a product. Now again, in terms of pre-made templates, you have several types of funnels that ClickFunnels gives you that are pre-made. A sales funnel, a product launch, or membership. These operate in the same way basically as the opt-in funnel did. For example, if we were to choose a sales funnel, and we gave that sales funnel a name, and we built a funnel, you will see that there are several pages to customize. A squeeze or opt-in page, a sales page, an order form, an order confirmation, and a thank you page. And what we will do is to modify each step according to our specifications. So when we choose our squeeze page and our squeeze page template, we need to determine where that page is going to go. And we're going to do that by setting up the next page in the process. When we choose and edit our sales page, we're going to be modifying the elements. For example, you'll see here that there is a sales video, and we'll be choosing the video that we'll be leaving there. We'll be choosing the kind of video and then determining the behavior of that video for that particular area of the page. And again, in the general settings, we're going to determine what the next step is in the course of the funnel. Now, in order for the sales process to go forward, you are going to need to have a payment gateway set up with ClickFunnels. And we will discuss that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.